There's three things that we do in IT at its core, and that is we move data, we secure it, and then of course we store it. And it's that storage piece that's been very challenging, I think, and very costly. So for us, by leveraging DataCore and its technologies, we've seen a lot of benefit, and those are reduced downtimes, we've seen performance gains, and more importantly, as our customers are pushing us to do more and demanding more data storage, the team's able to respond in a very timely manner and without breaking the bank, which I think is extremely important in today's competitive market. In the healthcare industry, the IT department is under a little bit more strain than your typical industry. We're 24/7, and at the end of the day, although products are important, we have patients to care for, and there is a life at stake. So it does bring with it a higher level of availability, expectation, and really zero tolerance for errors. And those are things we have to address in IT.
We chose DataCore because in 2008, we had built a new data center and was in the progress of migrating from one data center to the other. We were partially virtualized, and we realized that our virtual environment was relatively easy to migrate, with the exception of the storage. We are experiencing a tremendous rate of data growth. In fact, we've grown tenfold in the past 4 years alone. The main systems that generate this much data for the hospital is our PACS system and our VNA system. Additionally, because Englewood Hospital has taken a virtualized first approach, all of our VMs are stored on the DataCore system. This includes our Active Directory, our Exchange, our PeopleSoft system, and SQL servers. When we brought DataCore in, we were having problems with our Exchange system slowing down. We thought that adding a layer between the application and the SAN would actually slow the SAN down and the response time. We were surprised when we installed DataCore. We saw our Exchange environment respond significantly quicker. Our payroll system ran in half the time, and we saw our backups go from 8 hours to 3 hours. DataCore has helped to extend the life of our current SAN. We were also able to reclaim a lot of storage that was over-provisioned by using the thin provisioning technology. This has allowed us to provide different tiers of storage while still providing the high quality of service to our end users. DataCore has allowed us to bring in new technologies because of their active environment. Because we're a 24/7 environment, when we upgraded our SAN, we did not have the option of bringing the system down. We were able to leverage DataCore to bring in the new SAN, migrate all the data without any downtime to any applications. We're also able to do this all within normal business hours.
Our environment would look very different without DataCore, primarily around just what we as an organization really could afford and spend. We've looked at a lot of different technologies, and what we would have had to settle for is human intervention during disruptions, which, depending on when they happen, could be a lengthy time for our customers. DataCore has been a partner of ours since 2009, and it's been a great relationship. We manage over 200 vendors here at Englewood Hospital, and I can honestly say that they're in the top 5, and they've gotten there by listening to what we need, being there in times of trouble when things go bump in the night, and also having an ear to what is necessary, what we would like to see happen and change in their product. And that's just been great to work with.
Data storage isn't easy. Data keeps growing, applications need more performance, and server virtualization creates bottlenecks. Typical storage environments have multiple devices from several manufacturers, but they can't communicate with one another and can't be managed from the same place, so they operate in silos, becoming obsolete in just a few years. Every hardware vendor has the same solution: throw more expensive hardware at your problems. Thousands of happy DataCore customers have found a better solution.